Yo, what's up everyone, it's Zahid, and we're about to dive into the world of web development. Are you ready to become a web development pro in 2025? We've got the top 10 YouTube channels that will take your skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to level up, these channels have got you covered. We're talking comprehensive tutorials, project-based learning, and insights from industry experts. We're going to break down each channel, highlighting what makes them stand out from the crowd. We'll be looking at their teaching styles, the depth of their content, and how well they keep up with the ever-evolving world of web development. Think of this as your curated guide to the best web dev resources on YouTube. So grab your laptop, fire up your code editor, and let's get you subscribed to the channels that will transform your web dev game. This is your one-stop shop for all things web development on YouTube. Let's get started. First up, we've got Traversy Media. This channel is run by Brad Traversy, and let me tell you, this guy knows his stuff. His tutorials are clean, concise, and he dives deep into a wide range of technologies. Think React, Node.js, Express. You name it, Traversy Media probably has a playlist for it. Next up is The Net Ninja. What's awesome about this channel is that it caters to everyone, from complete beginners who are just starting to write their first lines of HTML, to more experienced developers looking to master advanced concepts. The Net Ninja breaks down complex topics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand videos. If you're ready to really level up your skills and dive into specific frameworks, then Academind is the channel for you. These guys are all about creating in-depth courses that take you from zero to hero in record time. Whether it's Angular, Vue.js, or something else, Academind has got you covered. Chapter 4. Free Code Camp is a legend in the web development world, and their YouTube channel is no exception. They offer a ton of free resources, including tutorials and coding challenges. What's great about Free Code Camp is their focus on project-based learning. You'll be building real-world projects as you go, solidifying your skills and building an impressive portfolio. Chapter 5. Dev Ed is all about making learning to code fun and engaging. Hosted by the hilarious and knowledgeable Joe Carlson, this channel injects humor into its tutorials without sacrificing quality. You'll find everything from JavaScript frameworks to CSS tips and tricks, all delivered with a side of laughter. Chapter 6. Programming with Mosh is run by Mosh Hamadani, and this channel is a goldmine for anyone serious about mastering not just web development, but programming in general. His tutorials are top-notch, and he covers a wide range of languages and frameworks including Python, C#, and of course all the essential web dev technologies. Chapter 7. Web Dev Simplified, breaking down the complexities. Let's face it, web development can get pretty complex. That's where Web Dev Simplified comes in. This channel is all about taking those complicated concepts and breaking them down into easy-to-understand explanations and practical examples. If you're someone who appreciates clear and concise explanations, this channel is for you. Chapter 8. DesignCourse, the full-stack powerhouse. Want to be a full-stack developer? Then you need to check out DesignCourse. This channel, run by Gary Simon, covers both web development and design, equipping you with the skills to build beautiful and functional websites from the ground up. Chapter 9. Code with Chris, from web to mobile, code with confidence. While Code with Chris primarily focuses on mobile app development, don't let that fool you. This channel is a fantastic resource for web developers as well. Chris does an excellent job of covering the fundamental concepts of programming, which are essential for both web and mobile development. Chapter 10. Florin Pop, 100 projects, 100 days, 100% awesome. Florin Pop is all about hands-on learning. His 100 projects in 100 days challenge is legendary in the coding community, and his YouTube channel is an extension of that philosophy. You'll find tons of project-based tutorials that will help you build up your skills and your portfolio. Outro. Your web dev journey starts now. So there you have it, the top 10 YouTube channels to master web development in 2025. Subscribe to these channels and start your journey to becoming a web development expert today. From comprehensive tutorials to project-based learning and everything in between, These channels have something for everyone, no matter your skill level. Remember, the key to becoming a successful web developer is consistency and practice. Make it a habit to explore these channels regularly, code along with the tutorials, and most importantly, build your own projects. The more you code, the better you'll become. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, reviews, and tutorials. See you in the next one.